Nature has created lots of plant varieties, and their seeds are the main source of healthy food for animals, both livestock and pets. Most seeds also contain oil, from the tiny poppy seeds or raspberries to the large coconut seeds. People used to extract plant oils thousands of years ago by simply pressing using a long lever or a thread. Today we use continuous screw presses that transfer the force of the rotating screw into the material to create high pressure. The seeds are exposed to repeated pressing and releasing when passing through the press to achieve the best oil yield. Long-running research and practical experience from hundreds of applications have allowed us to develop a comprehensive line of the FS presses and know-how on optimization of the set of screws and throttling elements inside the press. However, having the best press is not enough. To achieve the best possible result, a complex approach to the entire oilseed processing technology is required: cleaning, hulling, preliminary mechanical and heat treatment, and other steps. This is also what we use our laboratory for, to test various oilseed processing and food preparation technologies in pilot operations. We also have a pilot refining unit where we optimize plant oil extraction processes. The research takes place in cooperation with science institutions and universities, and we also regularly participate in subsidy programs to promote research and development. We perform tests for customers to achieve the best possible results. But what is the best possible result? One might think it is getting as much oil as possible. But at what cost? At the cost of using petroleum solvents in the chemical extraction? At the cost of overbaking the cakes and making low-quality food? At the cost of wasting electrical or heat energy? Compromise is the best outcome. It is a combination of environmentally friendly procedures with processing parameter optimization, so that both products, oil and cakes, have the best properties for their further use. It is a good and stable process management with minimized energy consumption or potentially with energy recovery. All of that is resolved by Farmet specialists when designing an optimal technology according to the type of oil seeds, but above all, according to the customer's requirements for the use of the cake and oil products. Our philosophy is to design smaller and local processing near the farming production, avoiding long haulage of seeds to the plant and cakes as food back to the farmers. It reduces the carbon footprint and increases the independence of farming companies and regions. We support horizontal farming. The vast majority of residue after the cakes are pressed is not waste, but a high-value food, a source of protein. However, even animals such as cows, pigs, and chickens need fat in their nutrition. Fortunately, the times when rendering fat, i.e. fat from dead animals, were fed to the livestock are long gone. So why do we bring thousands of tons of soya to chemical factory hundreds of kilometers away to chemically extract oil and then transport 85% of the remaining cakes with hexane residue back to the farmer? To make a food mixture from the soya meal, in which we have to add plant oil to fatten the mixture. This is not what we want today. Our customers, large agricultural businesses or local associations of small farmers, understand this. They grow soya and process it all year round. They mechanically press some of the oil as needed for the optimal feeding batch according to the animals. Their animals then get fresh, clean food with optimal ingredients from the farm's own production. Excess oil then can be used regionally in the food industry or for technical purposes. Our customers do not have to pay for long haulage back and forth, and they can avoid resellers of soya, meal, and food. We are looking at this through the farmer's eyes, as Farmet is a partner to farmers. Farmet brings top quality automation and process and quality control systems to smaller local technologies at the same level as any large plant would have. Not only in pressing, heat treatment in the form of extrusion, but also in low-ton physical plant oil refining. Farmet technology can also be used for the production of food for animals who need specially treated food, mostly granules, for our pets, dogs and cats, or even fish. Our extrusion lines can make granules optimized for predatory fish that swim along the surface for long periods of time, as well as for herbivorous fish that look for food on the bottom. Plant protein and meat substitutes are also becoming more and more popular in human nutrition. Our lines for texturing plant protein are able to prepare ideal protein structure with high absorption capacity and nutritional value thanks to crushing and rapid expansion. Farmet brings state-of-the-art technology for processing seeds close to the farmers and consumers and also provides complete support.